The Data Print Explorer captures the raw data, or data print, that Liongard's inspectors return. You can find the data print for any inspector by navigating to a System Inspector's System Details screen on the Last Data View tab. While you may be used to writing metrics using Liongard's data print through the tree view, the table view is a good way of writing metrics for inspectors with very large data prints. The table view of the Data Print Explorer contains the same data found in the traditional tree view. However, there's a few key differences that we'll point out in this video. Right now, we're in the Active Directory Data Print Explorer tab. Now, the table view outlines the data print and its key values. For any array or object, more data may be available. If there is more data available, a hyperlink will be present. Within an array, each object will be presented as a different row in the table. Let's dig in a little deeper with an example. Let's say we want to find all of the users in the remote desktop users group of an Active Directory inspector. Now, we need to identify the particular data point that we want to isolate. For this example, we're looking for all of the users in the remote desktop users group. We expect this data to be found in the groups array, so we will click the hyperlinked array. As you navigate in the table, your path will update at the top of the table. As you can see, the groups array contains 48 objects. Each object is in a different group, and the data for each is captured in a separate row. Looking at the CN object, let's find the remote desktop users group, so we can hone in on the data for that particular group. Now, in this array, there are 39 columns of key values, or data, for each object. Exploring these columns, we find a key value titled members string, which returns a list of users for each group. For this example, this is the data we were hoping to isolate. So now that we've found that data point, we can create a metric using the Create Metric button next to the members string key value. Clicking the icon will present us with the metric builder pop-out. Here, we can choose to either edit this metric query further by selecting Edit in Builder, or we can save the metric as is.